Hey, it's Michael Rozbruch here, founder of Roz Strategies and creator of the tax resolution domination system and toolkit. Always anticipate losses, never anticipate gains. Right? That's what they drummed into your head when you were studying for the CPA exam, when you took Intermediate Accounting 101. And I'm a CPA. I imagine it's the same thing for enrolled agents. Always anticipate losses, never anticipate gains. Look, we're accountants. We're CPAs and EAs. We're supposed to think conservatively. How in the hell can you take that mindset and then transform into becoming a marketing guy and actually learn how to do marketing so that you can get more business, create wealth, have a lifestyle that you want, that your family deserves? How do you make that transition? Well, you make that transition when you know if your marketing is working or not. Okay, and by knowing your numbers, you'll know if your marketing is working. Look, we all get into what I call financial insecurity. We're afraid to take money out of our bank account, even if we have it, and spend it on marketing because we're in fear we're going to lose it. We're in fear that someone's going to take advantage of us. But let me explain what fear is. Number one, it means false expectations appearing real. Fear is a mile high, a mile long, and paper thin. All you have to do is poke your finger through and you're on the other side. So we got to get over the fear thing, because if you don't take a risk, look, the risk of doing nothing is the biggest risk of all. Okay, so yes, you may make mistakes. Yes, you may lose some money at the beginning, but you don't know what you will be able to get if you don't start somewhere. So again, you need to know what your metrics are. We have full systems for training on those metrics at rozstrategies.com. We have some free training there for you. We have a YouTube channel, Michael Rozbruch's Tax and Business Solutions Academy YouTube channel. I think there's about 80 short training videos that some of them talk about KPIs and metrics and how to do marketing. And I hope that you visit that page, because that's going to be the difference between accepting mediocrity in your practice versus having a lucrative lifestyle practice. We'll see you in the next video. If you like this information, click the link below, comment, subscribe, click the link below for a webinar, which is going to talk a lot more about the lucrative practice of tax resolution. Click the link below, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.